Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
So President Mahama, if he means the talk now, he should sack Professor Gyampo. Because look, Professor Gyampo said there was a directive, say, Ansana see you be able to kwano. Government appointee biano. I said, when you have permission from Chief of Staff, right? Professor Gyampo Baye were 2.5 solid times. Nina on business economy. On business class. And now of 5. First a year or no so was Uncle Soko US na conference no. Omo yede, omo council ye. But still he went. And with every travel bia or travel biano, Professor Gyampo takes per diem. Obaye, he has been out of the country 5 solid times on the notion say or the Shippers Authority. Conference, training at the end. Yes, meetings ni bi ohonoma embaso, but still he goes and he takes per diem. 2, wafa ema enkwa ewo ne office honom. Ema almost about 28.
This one can be just
ewo office honom. 2. 28.
What is a weapon? If you play
NDC4 Mugia Edema President Mahama no. Professor Gyampo is sacking them. What a regional communications officer? Any letter from the presidency said Professor Gyampo no corporate affairs director ewo Shippers Authority. Professor Gyampo catcher and say own to me manage one man contract. And then yes, so call one man. And my programs are omo ye wole go nyina Professor Gyampo na sponsor. All the budget eba at the back Shippers Authority one mon kwa. Now wole go on sisia. To show mo whole weeks near the ebe. All the call Professor Gyampo and sisia or be sign the ama. I'm telling you this. And the Shippers Authority one no bania air cost one no. That's it. Say, man can you near exposing near Professor Gyampo, ye were one man. On it a ma air chimpna, no answer no one more majuma, was Shippers Authority one of na. Minjini say, a bebois on mine. Looking at the pedigree, Professor Gyampo, or and Professor Gyampo, you say, oh, uncle, oh, kiss you be war, a ye video more much. Huh? And that's a video man, and one. He's still doing it. He's still doing it. Chebe sempen for mama money and maso enko Ghana Shippers Authority headed by Professor Gyampo. Investigations say start to say koso. A man of 4 majuma under which circumstances no more majuma.
Is it not because I know you're hard on the NPP?
No. It's not about being hard. A numa koso honoma workers ni bi katre ye. So Benghazi munumuna mokasa esudum. Munka bi mayana. This is what Professor Gyampo is doing. Nkonyani ade so to nyina one top. So cut down cost. Emma deputy will say then and wakoton konyano. The Professor Gyampo no dey say they have to investigate him. Me no kasa here. Or took without the permission of the Chief of Staff, wafa ema almost about 28 under dubious circumstances. One year interview, and one more man started a juma ewo honum. Allegedly, you say Professor Gyampo name money be air champna.
You are repeating yourself.
Shippers Authority honum. Into that, in penning 4 and 4 9 NC form, and I would petition the special prosecutor on this one. So one fanina and see from no man shima Professor Gyampo. Nensama or maybe the video better said the money be no do legono. I'm so asanso at the court Shippers Authority one. I indulge you. Some mama for an India chile, Munamuya journalist. Na Yanshe some munina, so papa no so then Yenina Yabebo, but so far as I'm concerned, workers omo shippers authorities isi ame no kase ekira ne Professor Gyampo eye no ebo embra eni mbo no embra ne bo ebra nti ne wo honom no now on SML contract ne nsem look about we are na dwene say enwema bi a sebe omo tu hu ntosuo ni ade nyina sebe enye no kre enye bi a no omo kafa akeno for yata ho on data bonds no no say a data bank ewo bonds Ghana bonds no any ade no and omo buy omo fa data bank ento enka number of banks and a year ometumi aboa ama Ghana etumi aton bonds tiaba when you ma bebre no omotutu nto so ene omotumi ka kire say Israel ni Iran enwo ensem ni betumi affect yen by your time there you catch the Ghana for say COVID affect yen almost you enye no kre Russia Ukraine war affect yen almost enye no kre and then almost say doomso levy na komode ba 1 cedi no almost year fi one because of Israel any Iran ensem no meboa na nkofo mo nsema bombs o motu ibi abeto Ghana ha no mana bombs o motu ibi abeto Ghana ha. They told us, say, external factors does not affect us.
Professor Gyampo screenshot to name ready. Professor Gyampo screenshot to name the Monfantos name ready. Professor Gyampo ni screenshot to ni one. Okay. We a letter no screenshot to no. Mama screenshot. Your Facebook screenshot to be a screenshot in here. This is the screenshot. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Auntie. Sorry. Screenshot to now. I think there should be 2. Okay. Nti Bengazi make me read ya free. Yeah. On one screenshot no. Yeah, I say responding to baseless allegation against me. My attention has been drawn to some allegation made against me on some radio stations and on social media. I wish to thank all my admirers for calling on me to ignore and not to respond. But unfortunately, lies becomes true in the physique of many people in Ghana when they aren't corrected, and so I plead that I am allowed to respond, not to the grand scheme against me because of my vociferousness against bad governance in the previous regime. What do I say? Because previous regime, no. And say, I say, 2, I have not recruited 28 women and 2 men as been alleged. I am not in charge of recruitment at my workplace. Recruitment over the years, I am told, has been done professionally by a private outsource agency that follows a rigorous selection process. Part of my work required that I travel, and out of the over 38 opportunities, I have only honored 4, and these were with the express approval and permission from the Chief of Staff. I have never traveled on first class or business class. I remain the only CEO in Ghana who travels on economy ticket. Again, the evidence of my boarding pass for all the 4 trips are there. My lawyers and other lawyers, I don't even know, have taken over the matter, and I will deal with the individual behind the business allegation this week. Okay, yate. Yanko says no. Sex no. Crowd say and shada in here. Or say Sauti asem we nyina. Sa video no aye video mboa. Wona akoka wasem. Na okatire wotie video no mu a wo se Professor Gyampo. Me say amanfo a monitor mo kroma. So ye so vociferous. Over the years so ne vociferous no be an respond to me I in particular. Amanfo bebre to me message. Na bronya ada na Professor Gyampo sora o didi na nado atem o didi ba omiano matem o di ntrogu MPP so abronya yente se waka Gyampo asem da. Nam say yes obia ni na gronyere. Also a neutral person. Let's allow him na on kanasem. It is okay, yeah. Oh my Professor Gyampo attack on the MPP starting from 2018 now, basically 2024. No, men respond no to that. Because niente men respond to you obi or kasa. Na sem no they cannot say e ya oni ani brebi woman you ignore the person. Until over the years he has been ignored from my quarters. On one bedia dance yesem in can asem. But what same ya would two gain? Who can wom say what 2 coin enum? And no say what 2 coin and 9. Na Debiano say or trans no kasa he say ofriase no sua bibi. Say when you are in a group wouldn't group be here Juma. And you are gonna say Debiano wo the way special now so change others no. Look at the last paragraph 5 no.
Yeah.